Let's sing a safety song. When we meet someone we don't know, here's what we do, let's go. Stranger is to someone I don't know, not scary, just unknown. If they talk to me or call my name, I remember the safety game. Stop, freeze your feet on the ground. Step back, make you bubble round. Shout loud, I need my grown-up. Then turn and go. Don't stop, stop, my feet will step. Step back, two steps I know. Shout, my big voice out loud. Help, this is not my parents. Shout. Who's a stranger? Anyone I don't know? What do I do? Step back, shout. Woo! What keeps me safe? My grown-up, no doubt. Freeze the game. Candy word freeze. Freeze when you hear happy freeze. Big bubble game. Stuck back to make a bubble around you. Use your voice loud and proud. No, help, say it out loud. I need my grown-up. Clear and bright. Practice your voice with all your might. We have a family code word. Say it slow. If they don't know the code, I don't go. I have a safe circle, trusted free. Grown-ups who can help me. If I get separated, here's what I do. I stay where helpers can see me too. By the checkout desk for care and with kids, I say my name like my grown-up self. Freeze your feet on the ground. Step back, make your bubble round. Shout loud, no, I need my grown-up. Then turn and go. Go, stop, stop that shout. Meet that this? Go, go. Safe and strong. Say no yawn. This is our safety song.